सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत। यहाँ पे हम पोलैंड से आई कलिना और उनके साथ अनिमेश। I would like to welcome all of you. We are here with Vedic marriage ceremony, and here from Poland there is Kalina. Kalina is name of a flower tree, and with Kalina today, our dear very handsome groom Animesh is here. Both of them are going to take their presence for the marriage ceremony. And first, in the beginning, the bride has welcomed and asked Animesh to take his seat, and he has taken the seat, and both are here. There will be different parts, and here will be the video in different parts. Okay, first, in our first part, Kalina, on behalf of Kalina, there will be a welcome ceremony, and Kalina is going to offer water to Animesh, and he is going to clean his legs. Yes, yes. On behalf of Kalina, I am going to chant the mantra. Om Padyam 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 Pati Grihnami. Please give him. आप ले लीजिए और पानी से छिड़क. And he is going to clean his feet. Yes. Draw water. Yes. I put it over here. And now the next, for cleaning the mouth, Kalina is going to offer water. Oh, please give him. Om Argho Argho Argha Pratigrenam. Yes, please drop some water on your face. Yes, put it here. Now, Kalina is going to offer holy water for drinking. Yes, Animesh is here, a guest, and you are going to welcome him in different ways. First, you asked him to clean his legs, then mouth, and now you are going to offer him holy water to drink. ओम आचमनी 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 प्रतिगृह्णाम. आप ही ले लीजिए, आप ही करो. हाँ, ले लो. आप बोलिए ओम प्रतिगृह्णामि. हाँ, 3 बार आप ही लीजिए. ओम आमागन्नु यशसा संसित वर्चसा तम मा कुरु प्रियम प्रजानाम अधिपतिम पशूनाम अरिष्टिम तनूनाम. Animesh is going to drink holy water for 3 times. Please put it here. And now there is a special nutritious madhupar, curd, honey and ghee, gaw ghee, and Kalina is going to offer him this madhupar to have. Om madhupar ko madhupar ka pratighetam. Ye pure de de. Give him the plate, please. Yes, now just look at it. Yes, Animesh is going to look at the holy nutritious madhupar. Om mitrasya chakshusha pratikshe. You are going to look at him, this holy nutritious food as a friend. Okay. Om devasya savituh prasveshvinobhyam pushno hastabhyam pratigrihnami. Take it in your left hand. Okay. Now just look at this madhupar. Om bhurbhuvasva madhuvataritaye madhuksharanti sindhva madhvirnah santvoshadhi. Om bhurbhuvasva madhunakmutoshisho madhumatirpramam gradha madhudyorastu nah pita. Om bhurbhuvasva madhumanno vanaspatir madhumam astu suryah madhvirgavo bhavantu nam. Now just shake the madhupar. Om Namah Shyavasyaya Shanayatyavidham Tatte Nishkrintami. Now you will please take this in your hand, and I'll ask you in different ways. Before having anything in our culture, we just offer it to God in different directions. God is omnipresent, and God is going to accept the food, and this is our system, this is our culture, this is our ritual that we offer it to God first. Om vasvastva gayatrin chandasa bhakshiyantu. Put it here, please. Yes, a little bit, yes, with the spoon. Om rudastva teshtubhain chandasa bhakshiyantu. Here, in south direction. Om adityastva jagatin chandasa bhakshiyantu. In the west. Om Vishvetva Deva Anushtuben Chandhasa Bhakshiyantu. In the north. Om. Now you will just take it in your hand, fingers, and you will offer it to the sky. Om bhutebhyastua patigrhinami. Om yanmadhuno madhvayam paramam rupamannadhyam tenaham madhuno madhvayan paramen madhurupena anandyen paramo madhuvyo nadosani. Now you will have it. You will just take it, eat it as much as you can. Yes, please eat it. Yes. Honey, curd and ghee, all the three things are just very, very useful for good health. And as here Animesh is at Kalina's home and she is going to welcome him with this nutritious food. Yes, please put it here. Yes, yes. इसको रख देना, साइड पे रख देना, और कम नहीं इसका वहाँ रख देना, भले ऊपर रख देना. Yes, now. यस सर, आप भी इसमें से ले लेना सर, आप इसमें से ले लेना, आचमन के लिए जल. ये वाला ले लेना इसमें से, आप वो ले लेना. हाँ, आप ये ले लेना, आप ये ले लेना. यस, नाउ we will drink holy water for 3 times after the chanting of mantra. Yes, please have it in your right hand. Have water in your right hand. Right hand, yes, this one, yes. Yes. Om amritopastaranmasi swaha. Take in your right hand and just drink it. ले लीजिए दाएं हाथ में और पी लीजिए. Once more. Take in your right hand. Ah, yes, you have. Om amrita pidhanmasi swaha. Drink. Once again. Om satyam yashah shirmayishih shaitam swaha. Drink. Now you will just have the water and clean your hand. वो था ना पेपर बैग क्लीन करने के लिए. Yes, you can clean. Please have it. Once. Yes, now in our culture there is a system to donate cow. Cow is holy in Indian system, in Vedic culture. So from Kalina there is Mr. What's the good name, sir?
Devant Tripathi.
Yes, he is going to donate some money. Earlier in our Vedic culture there was a system to donate cow. Now you will just give a small money on behalf of Kalina to Ganimesh. Oh, please. Any, yes. They are your parents. They are going to play the role of your parents. What's your father's name? Okay, and mother's name? Yes, we thank both of them, and I hope that they are also going to bless all you, both of you and all of us. They all are also with us. They all are, yes. हाँ ये any हाँ मतलब फिर गाय के लिए इन्हीं को देना है, फिर ये गाय के लिए निकाल लेंगे 10 रुपये 50 रुपये 100 रुपये एनी अमाउंट, कोई भी अमाउंट रख लीजिए जो गाय के लिए जाएगा. गाय को चारा डाल दें, है ना. आप इधर आ जाइए सर, आप इनको देंगे, इधर आ जाइए. हाँ नहीं बस ये आप आ जाइए. यस, इनको देंगे आप. ओम गोह 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 प्रतिगृहताम. इनको दे दीजिए, आप इनको लेंगे प्लीज़. ओम प्रतिगृहणामि चेंट, है ना. यू हैव एक्सेप्टेड दिस अमाउंट टू feed any cow, or this amount is for cow. Cow is very, very holy in our culture. Yes, please have your seat, sir. And now just come here, sir. Yes, आप यहीं आ जाइए. Come here. एक बार यहीं आ जाइए मेरे पास, इधर ही आ जाइए, कलीना के पास, इस साइड आ जाइए. हाथ पीले करने हैं इनके, तो इनके दोनों you will spread your both the hands in this way. Yes, this turmeric is also a symbol of good health. Use it for good health. Okay, ये इनको लेके इनके दोनों हाथों में करेंगे यार.
ये सिंगल हैंड से दोनों? एक
राइट से कर लीजिए, दोनों हाथों में ऐसे हाथ में लगा दीजिए. हाँ, इनके हाथ में भी लगा दीजिए. आप बोलेंगे अब आपका हाथ नीचे रखिए. यस, दिस सिस्टम इज कन्यादान. हियर दोनों हाथ ऐसे रख लीजिए, ऐसे नीचे, एंड आपका हाथ रखेंगे तो ये यहाँ से यहाँ आपको देंगे, है ना. आप बोलेंगे ओम कलिना गोत्रोत्पन्न
कलीना गोत्रोत्पन्न
कलिना अलंकृताम
कलीना अलंकार
कन्याम
कन्या
प्रतिगृह्णातु
प्रतिगृह्णाति
भवान. नाउ यू आर गोइंग टू हैंड ओवर हर हैंड टू अनिमेश. ओके, बोलिए ओम प्रतिगृह्णामि. Yes, you have accepted her hand. Yes, now you can take your seat, sir. Yes, now Gatjod. You can come here for Gatjod. Ma'am, anybody, sister, on behalf of Kalina, sister, or Bhabi, or Bua, anybody can come for Gatjod. In Gatjod, we put 3 things. First, turmeric.
पिंक वाला लेना.
वो ये वाले गुलाब. Turmeric is symbol of good health. Flowers, symbol of love, harmony. And एक सिक्का, 1 रुपए का, 1 रुपए का सिक्का मैं लाया हूँ. Yes, now you can just take your hand. You have. This is a symbolic that your father has handed over your hand to Animesh. Now his duty has been completed. Now his son, means your brother, will play the next coming roles. Okay, yes. 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 हाँ, आप आ रही हैं इधर, प्लीज़ कम हियर, है ना. इनके इसमें बांध के, इनके इसमें बांधिएगा. पहले इसमें एक गांठ बांध दीजिए, इससे सबसे आगे. हल्दी ले ली. यस, वी हैव included 3 things in this material. Turmeric for good health, money for good wealth, and flower for love, good relationship. These 3 things are the basis of a foundation of a married life. Everything is symbolic but scientific in our culture.
तुमने ये जोड़ी है ना, हाँ ये भी, हाँ.
यहाँ और मालाएं तो है नहीं, है ना. वो जो ये दोनों मालाएं देनी है, और कोई माला तो नहीं है ना अपने पास. यहाँ भी एक फ्लावर मालाएं हैं ना, तो मेरा वो ऊपर ना निकाल देना, दोनों पर निकाल. आप सबको पहना दीजिए, ऊपर पहना दीजिए. Now both of you will stand. Have you tied? Now, yes, आप दोनों ले लीजिए. आप ये ले लीजिए. Please have it. Both of you will stand up now. देखना इसमें रिकॉर्डिंग आ रहा है, रिकॉर्डिंग आ रही है. ओम समंजन्तु विश्वे देवाः समापो हृदयानिनो सम्मातरिश्व समधाता समुदेष्टि दधातु नो. Now both of you will stand up, please. Yes, now you will take Kalina's right hand in your hand, dear Animesh. ये हाँ सही करो. हाँ यस, ऐसे. हाँ यस, in this way. हाँ यस. अब मैं एक मंत्र बोल रहा हूँ, और आपकी तरफ से बोल रहा हूँ. ओम यदेशी मनसा दूरम दिशो अनुपमानो वा हिरण्यपर्णो वै कर्णः सत्वा मनसाम करोतु कलिना. Yes, now you have just taken her hand in your hand for whole life. Now on behalf of Animesh, I am going to chant mantra. Om bhurbhuva swa ghor chakshu patignadhi shiva pashubhya sumnah suvarcha वीर सूर्देवी कामास्योनाशं नो भवति पदैशं चतुष्पदै. ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः सानः पूषा शिवतमामैरै सा न उरुषति विहर्व्यस्यामुशन्तः प्रहरां शेफं यस्यां कामा बहवो निविष्ट्यौ. Now you will take one round. This is first परिक्रमा. Okay, you will now take. इसको रख दीजिए. तो तुम यही बैठो ना. ये हटा दो यहाँ से, ये सब हटा दो, ये सारी चीज़ें हटा दो. यस, जगह कर दो परिक्रमा के लिए. जलपात तो सारे साइड में कर दो. जलपात उधर रख लो, हो गया. ये
यहाँ घी है उसको थोड़ा सा उससे वो है ना टिश्यू पेपर
पेपर डाल दो।
ये भी उधर रख देना है वो उस टेबल पे।
इसमें घी रगड़ देना है।
हाँ ये स्टेक बन रहा हूँ। ओके ये भी अंदर अंदर हो गया जी। हाँ हाथ पकड़ के, हाँ कीप योर, ये रख दो अंदर।
वही हम कह रहे हैं।
और भी मंगवा सकते हैं अपन,
अरे एक बात
और कर दो। हाँ फर्स्ट
हाँ डाल दो।
Bella to hold this साड़ी।
इसको इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है अभी, सारे जल को समेट लो।
आधी आधी रहने दो।
ये भी हटा लो यहाँ से सब, ये भी हटा लो,
लो डाल।
ये भी हटा लो। अभी इसको ऑफ कर दिया ना, ये भी ऑफ कर देना, मतलब जैसे ये चल रहा हो, मतलब 2-3 पार्ट